Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss the importance of disabling the Insert Link feature in Google Docs and Slides using Exponential Safe Dock. The Insert Link feature in Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Drawings is a valuable tool that allows users to add hyperlinks effortlessly. While it can be beneficial in educational settings, it also poses potential risks to online safety. Younger students, in particular, may unintentionally or intentionally navigate to inappropriate or harmful websites, exposing themselves to unwanted content and cybersecurity threats. Fortunately, Exponential Safe Dock is here to help. This fantastic extension effectively disables the Insert Link feature in Google Docs and Slides, offering several benefits, including enhanced online safety, focused learning, and controlled content. Setting it up is a breeze. Just head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it's installed, you can easily disable the Insert Link feature by configuring the Enable Explore policy and setting the value to false. To know more, please visit exponential.com.